This is Fred with GPS Northwest. We're in a 2006 Honda Accord. Quick fix for you today. I've got driver's side power window working, but none of the other ones work. You can hear it clicking. That goes for the back ones as well. Basically, this child lock isn't working. So quick fix, back side of the plug. First pin, it's a black wire. Second pin's white wire with green stripe. Basically, this jumper the two. I just put a small 3-amp fuse. It's just triggering a relay in the fuse box. Now, all the windows work, and child lock works. That's it.